Good morning, all of you. Myself, Vishwant from ICT EK3 at Harvard University. Today's topic is data rate, and here is the contents of data rate. First one could be data rate, why data rates is important, and the third one should be factors affecting data rate, and the fourth one data rate formula, and the fifth one where data rate is used, and the sixth one is the final one is the conclusion. Data rate. Data rate is also called bit rate. Is the amount of data transmitted per second in a communication system. And data rate refers to the amount of data that can be transmitted from one point to another in a given period of time through a communication channel. It shows how fast data moves in a network. Data rate usually measured in bits per second, such as kbps, mbps, and gbps. And here is why data rate it is important. Data rate is important because it directly affects the speed of quality of communication. A higher data rate allows information to be transferred quickly, which results faster internet browsing, smooth video streaming, and clear voice calls and quick files downloads. A low data rate can cause delays, buffering, poor call quality, and slow performance, making communication inefficient. And here is the factors of data rate. First one, bandwidth. The bandwidth of the channel determines how much data can be carried at that time. And noise reduces signal quality lower than the data rate. And here is the modulation technique. We can use in the advanced modulation like QPSK and QM. Increase bits per symbol increases data rate. And here is the signal to noise ratio. Better SQNR, a better performance, higher data rate. Here is the channel quality. Fiber to copper, copper to fiber supports high data rate. Additionally, networks congestion and hardware quality impact the overall data rate. And next, here is the data rate formula. Basic formula of data rate is a number of bits by time. Using data rate is called symbols rate, multiple of bits per symbol. This formula helps measure how efficiently data is transferred over a communication channel. Here is the types of data rate. There are the types of data rate like gross data rate. Is a total bits transmitted, includes overhead plus useful data. And the net data rate, only useful information bits excluding overhead. And here is the another sum of examples like medium data rate, high data rate, and low data rate. Low data rate is used in applications like text, message, and sensors data. In a medium data rate is used in a voice communication, and high data rate is required for applications such as video streaming, online gaming, and cloud services. And here where data rate is used. Data rate is widely used in a computer networks, mobile communication systems, and internet services, satellite communications, and video conferencing, and IoT devices. It is essential in 4G or 5G broadband connections, Wi-Fi networks, and digital broadcasting system to ensure fast and reliable communication. And here is the final one, the conclusion of data rate. Data rate, in the conclusion of data rate, is a key parameter in the communication system that determines the speed and efficiency of a data transmission. A higher data rate improves user experience and by the enabling fast, smooth, and reliable communication, making it an essential requirement in today's digital world. Understanding data rate helps in designing better communication system and improving data transmission efficiency. Thank you.